I gotta leave for work in like less than 5 minutes. I had coffee this morning and I ate cereal for breakfast. And there's the honey. Her face looks so tan. And the pumpkin. Hey. Okay, well, I gotta go to work. I just wanted to say good morning. I'm home. I got home like, I don't know, half hour, 45 minutes ago. Yeah, baby, are you gonna come snuggle? Come on. Come here. Come. Every time I want to snuggle, she wants to play. And vice versa. But yeah, so I got home a little bit ago. Me and Kyle are gonna figure out what to eat at some point here soon. And now that the camera's on, you don't want to squeak it. But yeah, so that's what we're gonna do. And in the meantime, I'm going to catch up on my videos because I'm still not completely caught up yet. What are you doing?
Brian, is that you? You okay?
Leave us alone.
Can you talk? Are they making demands? Put me on the belly pump.
Just leave us alone.
Leave us alone.
Is he trying to warn us away, or?
We tried it the nice way. It's time for my team to do its job. Let's move out. Yes, sir.
We just got done watching Marvel, and I still have more YouTube videos to watch. I'm very close to being caught up though. I think Kyle's gonna go to bed soon because he's gotta work at 6 a.m. But I am off for 2 days. Oh, so I'm gonna catch my videos, maybe read some more of my book. I don't know if I showed you guys or not, but I have started the book that Kyle's cousin wrote. I'm like 10 pages in. It's crazy. I don't know how she thought of this stuff. It's not bad, it's just I don't think my mind could ever have made up the stuff that she did. So, props to her. But there's the floof. Will you say hello? Say hello. No? Okay, at least you looked at the camera this time. Oh, look at that face. Oh. Oh. But yeah, so I'm going to watch some more videos. What are you doing, honey?
Yeah, I have been.
Oh yeah. Floof. I think the Fluffy's ready for bedtime. Did you hear Mommy say bedtime? I see your ear twitching. So we are going to go to bed. Yes! So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, comment below, and subscribe, and I will see you tomorrow.